Hi, I'm Lana O'Connor from the newsroom. This is Suzanne and Fiona. We were nominated by Bucks from the Fresh 50. Thanks to that, Bucks. We'd like to encourage people to text MND to 50300, €2 donation. And our nominees are, my nominee is Owen English from the Irish Examiner,
Barry Roach, Irish Times,
and Paul Byrne of TV3 News.
Ah! Can we go on our knees? Do we have to go on our knees?
I don't know.
Go on, go on.
I feel like you have to go with your girl.
Countdown.
Okay guys, we've all been individually nominated by fellow workers here, but please text MND to 50300, €2 donation. We're all going to make a donation here as well, so we'd appreciate if you do the same. We decided to do this ice bucket challenge with a bucket. Are we ready? I nominate. Cool, you go.
Oh, okay. I'm going to nominate two people. I'm going to throw it over to Beat 102 103, Dave Cronin, and I'm also going to nominate the lads from Dow Day Media as well.
Hey!
Okay, I'm going to nominate the guys from O'Sullivan's, Barry and Douglas. That's Donal O'Sullivan, Barry Tuig and Maurice O'Leary, and also Myrna O'Brien just as an extra.
I'm just going to nominate two, Colm and Emer or both.
Hey! 3, 2...
I need these. Like, Go on, go.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. What's so cool?